Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss single line diagram and its components introduction part. Already we discussed what are the components we are using for the power generating station and transmission, distribution, consumer side, utilization side. Once again, I'll list out now: generating station, lightning arrestor, and earthing switch, wave trap, circuit breaker, isolators, transformers, bus bars, CT, PT, CT in a sense current transformer which is used to measure high current, PT which is used to measure high voltage, right? And outgoing lines, that's all. Circuit breaker, we are having different classification. I'll break circuit breaker and vacuum circuit breaker. So many circuit breakers are there, right? So let's see one by one that components now. Okay. Okay, before getting into that power system components, let's see indoor substation, outdoor substations, underground substations, pole mounted substations. Indoor substations, all the equipments placed inside the roof or inside the building, that is in indoor substations. And outdoor substations, whatever the equipments like power system components, power system particular electrical components like transformer, circuit breaker, isolators are installed outdoors. See that Anekal substation, there is a number of transformer, some transformer, okay, not number of transformer, only 2 to 3 transformer they'll be having. So the transformers are placed in the outside. I mean outside in the sense outside the roof or outside building. Okay, that is outdoor substations. Some transformers they used to keep inside. I mean electrical components also. That is indoor substations. And underground substations. This is very important in Bengaluru. In Bengaluru, you can find some cushion bags also. I mean cushion board also. For I mean whomsoever digging the road or whatever. I mean roadside and all. They used to keep some display cushion board because they kept that whatever the switching devices, transformer, circuit breaker inside the earth, that is underground substations. Green color this one board you can find are one complete small box below under I mean like under that box, I mean inside the earth there is a transformer, there is a like electrical switching devices, right? That is the underground substation. And next, pole mounted substation. Pole mounted substation, where we can find the next question. Pole mounted substation, best example. Backside of our college, we are having concrete mounted substation, but pole mounted substation nearby your surrounding there is a H pole mounted substation. In that H pole mounted substations, we are having distribution transformer which converts 11 kilovolts into 415 volts or till 440. I mean 415 plus or minus 6% of tolerance, single phase or three phase. That is H pole shape. I mean H shape. That is H pole mounted substation, right? Okay, single line diagram. Let's move on to the topic. Very important concept. Single line diagram. All the electrical appliances or electrical components in your home, if you consider electrical appliances, are from the generating station to the consumer side. That is power system components represented in a single line with a symbolic representation for easy to understanding and also like complete overall picture We'll come to know by seeing that single line diagram. That's why we are having a single line diagram, even though all the components in represented in symbolically and one line. That's why it's called as a single line diagram. Diagram which is represented in single line, whatever the all the components. Okay, so that is single line diagram. Okay, some of the standard symbols used to represent substation components are given in table below. While drawing the diagram in our CAD software also, so we need to search these type of commands. I mean particular electrical components, or keep it in your mind. Otherwise you only design like generator, bus bars, or power transformer, 2 winding, 3 winding, or I mean any electrical components. But most of the cases, all the electrical appliances, electrical components also, power system components also available in 2017 AutoCAD software. Everything is available. Everything is available. So these are the symbolic symbols which we are going to use while drawing the diagram. This is a current transformer CT, which is used to measure high current, and voltage potential transformer. This is a voltage transformer or potential transformer which is used to measure high voltage, and a circuit breaker which is break the circuit when fault appears in the output side or current exceeded the limit. Automatically circuit breaker contact will open. I mean it avoids abnormal conditions, and it avoids short circuiting, and it avoids damage of electrical components, power system components, and also in your home electrical appliances. And circuit breaker with the isolators. What is the purpose of isolators? Isolators which is used to isolate particular part of the electrical power system components. For example, I can say if from Goodnalli to next village, if you want to isolate, if you want to keep that particular area, I mean if you want to do some repair or whatever, okay, so that particular area if you want to isolate, I mean if you want to, I mean if you don't want to give power supply, we can use isolator switches off output side also, input side also off condition. Definitely what happens, that particular part isolate, right? For repairing maintenance work, isolators are very much required. Keep it in your mind, very much required isolators and all for maintenance and repairing purpose. I mean repairing of electrical power system components. So next, isolator group operating switches, GOS. See GOS nearby or surrounding there is a H pole mounted substations. Even powermen in Karnataka there is a powermen are present. They'll come with I mean they used to come with one rod, right, rod like structure for closing, I mean for changing the line, for changing the power supply and all, right? Just the contact shall be touches with another contacts, like changing the line, okay, that is GOS, okay. And lightning arrestor which is used to arrest lightning when lightning appears in the rainy seasons and all. These lightning arresters are required every home, every buildings to avoid break, to avoid damage to the building. So they used to keep one rod like structure in the all sides. If suppose lightning appears, automatically directly goes to the earth or it will escape. That's why they used to keep one rod or two rods in the building also. Next, earth switches. This is the earth switch symbol for the power system components or power system single line diagram. For earth switch, this is earthing purpose. Okay, earthing means what? All electrical body of the equipments connected to earth to maintain zero potential and less resistance. Why? Because if you touch any this iron part of electrical power system components or transmission lines or whatever, If you are not getting shock resistance, that is properly earthed. If it is not earthed, what happens? Definitely will get shock, right? And wave trap and line trap. Wave trap is for like to avoid interference, disturbance from the other signaling lines. For example, I can say, if suppose there is a tower, transmission lines tower, so the towers also catches signals, right? So any other mobile signals, okay, mobile signals, it will catch. So to avoid those signals catching and all, we are having wave trap. It will trap, it will grab, and it will send to the. Make it as neutral. So that's why we are having a wave trap. Okay, thank you so much. Next we'll draw one on problems. Okay.